How to change message color on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change message color on Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Messenger app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, just head over to any message or any DM that you want. And after you're there, all you have to do is tap on the profile on the top. Tap on it and now you'll be on this settings. Under here you'll find customization section. Under customization section, head over to theme, and after you're on the theme section, simply select any theme that you like. So I'll just choose the one here, and after doing that, tap on select. After you select that theme, you'll notice that the messages that you send will also get changed in color. There we go. Now if we do that again, let me just head over to the theme option, tap on this basketball and then select it. You'll notice that the color is now changed as well. And that's how you change message color on Messenger, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.